I got this for 53.74 cents. Ooh, nice. Looks a bit big for my feet. Hey guys, so today is Vlogmas Day 8 and we'll be doing a little unboxing. Black Friday was a couple of weeks ago, so I got a few items from different websites. And I also received an Amazon package from my ex-colleagues at Aves KLM. We're doing our annual Secret Santa. I'm excited to find out what's inside, and guess who sent me this. So let's start unboxing. Let's start with this one. This is a soda stream that I got from the Black Friday sale. I got this from Walmart. I got this for $54, including tax after discount. I've always wanted a soda stream but didn't really quite get to it. So I thought, you know, with the Black Friday sale, it's a good opportunity for me to get one. So there's a CO2 cylinder included in the box. And we also have a reusable bottle. So I guess you'll just fit this inside. From what I know, SodaStream does not require any power or battery, so that's good. I can just place this anywhere. So with this SodaStream, I can finally stop spending on sparkling water, which I do, by the way. I think this is one of the cheaper models because it feels kind of light and cheap. Anyway, it gets the job done. It's good. Let's move on to my next package. This is from Famous Footwear. It's a pair of winter boots from Comic, I believe. This pair of boots is slightly more expensive. It's about $119. Ooh, nice. Wow, 看起来好大双. Looks a bit big for my feet, but let's see. It comes with like a internal padding. I think this is a waterproof lining. It should be removable from what the reviews say. Ooh, it fits. You know, the thing with buying shoes online is there's always that fear of things not fitting. Great. So these are nice. Alright, let's move on to my Secret Santa gift. Thank you, Secret Santa. Oh, it actually... Okay, let me just open this up first. Ooh, fancy. So, this is the Sunbeam Royal Mink and Sherpa Heated Throw. I have to be very careful not to damage the throw. Aww, feels so comfy. What? Oh, it's powered. So just to let you guys in on something, the delivery note actually states who the sender is. But even without looking at the note, I would probably guess this is either from Celeste or Reina. But yes, Celeste, thank you so much for sending me this. It will definitely come in handy for the coming months because it's starting to get very, very cold here in Winnipeg. Alright, so those are the things that I got online. These are Christmas edition coffee mugs I got from the dollar store, and I'm planning to let my parents use them when they come visit this Thursday. And yeah, it just adds a nice touch to the holiday season. And also, because I'm planning to get a dining table for the apartment, I got this snowflake pattern table cover, which would definitely come in handy for our family dinners here in the apartment. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing today. It's a short one, didn't really buy much. I had to control myself a little bit not to go too crazy on Black Friday. For tomorrow, I'll be collecting my rental car, so I'll bring you guys along with me and maybe get a haircut as well because my hair is getting a little out of hand, a bit too long and messy on the sides. So I just want to get that sorted out before I go to Vancouver and take a ton of photos. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.